What is STEM 1 injection? Basically, this is a recent development, and STEM 1 injection is a pre-prepared stem cell injection which is neutral and which is prepared in the lab. This injection comes as a prepared in a vial. This injection is transported after the order. It comes at minus 200 degrees, and once this injection is ordered and when it comes, it is thawed, brought to a normal temperature and injected into the joint or into the avascular necrosis site. As it is not prepared from the patient side, there is no invasion of any bone marrow or any abdominal fat. It is a ready-made injection and it needs to be only injected at the site. So these are all advantages of stem cell therapy with STEM 1 injection.